Hello, welcome back to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. I'm Meddena. My husband Tommy is behind the camera. We want to talk to you about some differences that we wish we had known about before we had bought this RV. We lived in this RV for 2.5 years. It was fine, but had we known, we would have looked for a little bit different. One thing is, the refrigerator that comes with an RV, a lot of times it won't even freeze ice cream. You have to put a little fan in there and all this stuff. We traded it out for a residential refrigerator. It cost us about $2,500 to do that, but well worth it. We have an ice maker and everything. Another thing I will tell you that I love about the RV, and when we bought our house and we remodeled an old house, I put one of these in my house. This is a convection microwave. I don't use a lot of microwaving, but I do love the convenience of a convection oven. Another thing is, I don't particularly care for cooking with gas, Maggie, here. So I would prefer to have a different kind of cooktop. When we lived in the RV, I bought one of those new waves and just set it on the counter and cooked with that. They come now, RVs come with dishwashers. I'm not sure, Maggie, here, I'm not sure that I would use a dishwasher as much, but it would be nice if you wanted to. Our RV came with a booth. I hated the booth. Even though there was extra storage and all, I did not like the booth. So we took it out and we just have a table and chairs now. That is one thing I'll make sure my next RV has. We've got a small couch on this side. And it's okay, as you can tell, the dogs, that's where they live when we're not in the coach and they're looking for us. We have two of the recliners like these. That's very comfortable. I enjoyed sitting in that. And then, of course, we've got the big screen TV, and I'm not going to let him show you that side because it's so messy right now with us getting ready to take our stuff home. But a lot of RVs have a TV over the dashboard and a TV right here. It is absolutely crazy to me that they would put two TVs in this much room. Ours has a cabinet. I love the cabinet. Another thing, I thought when we bought this RV, this would be great to have a washer-dryer combination. However, after using it for 2.5 years, I can tell you it was easier to go to a laundromat, because when you stick a pair of blue jeans, a t-shirt, some socks, maybe some underwear in there, it takes about 3 hours for it to wash and dry. And when they come out the dryer, everything is so wrinkled, you have to iron it. So plan on having a small ironing board. But I do like the storage in here. It's got plenty of storage up here. And the shower, Tommy doesn't care for the shower. It doesn't bother me. It's not that bad. And there's plenty of storage in here. Okay, now for the bedroom. I thought this was plenty big. I thought this is not going to be a problem. No, stay. I love the TV, you know, right here. But I can tell you this much. When this one gets in bed with us, and that one sleeps with us, there is no room in this queen-size bed. We should have thought it through. We should have gotten a king-size. And that's what we need, isn't it, Maggie? Do we need a king-size bed? Huh? Do we need one? But there's plenty of storage in here. And also, if you're looking for a place to put your valuables, you could mount a safe in this closet right here. Ours is full of DVDs since we don't live in it right now. But you could mount you a safe in there. That's what we did. Or even under the bed for your personal items. Anyway, that's the things that I would change if I had known then what I know now. So y'all take what we've considered to be the bad parts after living here for 2.5 years, and maybe you won't make the same mistakes that we made. Thank you and have a wonderful day. See you on the road. Would you be happy if they would subscribe to our channel? Huh? You want them to subscribe to our channel? What do you think? Will they hit the like button? Can you hit the like button? Hit the like button. Yeah, that's a good girl. Thank you. See you on the road. It was such a good girl.